Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Level English. Today, we're jumping into an English word order quiz 30 MCQs to see how fluent you really are. Ready to put your skills to the test? Let's get started. 1. What is the correct word order for a basic English sentence? Subject plus verb plus object. Tips: basic word order is subject plus verb plus object in English. 2. Which sentence is correct? I am going home now. Tips: subject verb object order is standard in English. 3. What is the correct word order for a question? Subject plus verb plus object. Tips: subject verb inversion is needed in questions. 4. Choose the correctly ordered sentence. He sings beautifully. Tips: always follow subject verb object order. 5. In the sentence, she always arrives late, where does the adverb go? Before the verb. Tips: adverbs like always go before the main verb. 6. What is the correct word order for this sentence? The kids are playing soccer. Tips: standard sentence structure in English. 7. What comes first in a passive sentence? The subject. Tips: in passive voice, the object comes first. 8. What is the typical order of adjectives in English? Size plus color plus material. Tips: size comes before color and material. 9. In questions, what usually comes before the main verb? The auxiliary verb. Tips: auxiliary verbs precede the main verb in questions. 10. What is the correct sentence order for describing events? Start with the time expression. Tips: events should be described chronologically. 11. Choose the correct position for the object in this sentence. Object comes after the verb. Tips: objects usually follow the verb in English. 12. Where does the frequency adverb go in this sentence? Just before the main verb. Tips: frequency adverbs often precede the main verb. 13. Choose the correctly ordered question. What are you doing? Tips: standard question structure in English. 14. What is the standard order for describing places in English sentences? Place comes after the verb. Tips: place usually comes after the verb. 15. Which part of speech usually comes last in a sentence? An adverb. Tips: adverbs often follow the main verb. 16. What is the correct word order in a sentence with an auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb comes first. Tips: auxiliary verbs precede the subject in questions. 17. Choose the correct sentence structure. She often sings beautifully. Tips: adverbs of frequency precede the main verb. 18. What comes first in a comparative sentence? The subject. Tips: the subject introduces comparative sentences. 19. Where does the subject go in an imperative sentence? It is omitted. Tips: the subject is omitted in imperative sentences. 20th. In the sentence "she is cooking dinner," what comes after the verb? The object. Tips: objects follow verbs in basic sentences. 21. Which is the correct position of the adjective in the sentence? Always before the noun. Tips: adjectives come before nouns in English. 22. What is the correct word order? A boy met yesterday. I met a boy yesterday. Tips: the subject comes before the verb. 23. What is the correct word order? The dog barked at night loudly. The dog barked loudly at night. Tips: adverbs of time are placed at the end. 24. Which is correct? She, to the market, went early. She went early to the market. Tips: time expressions often follow the verb. 25. What is the correct sentence? They completed the project quickly. They completed the project quickly. Tips: time and manner follow the subject. 26. Identify the correct order: arrived, the train, on time, finally. Finally, the train arrived on time. Tips: adverbs of manner and time follow the verb. 27. What is the right order? Played in the park, the kids happily. The kids happily played in the park. Tips: keep the subject before the verb. 28. Pick the correct sentence. Will they visit us tomorrow? They will visit us tomorrow. Tips: future tense structure is subject plus will. 29. What is correct? The letter. Received. I. Yesterday. I received the letter yesterday. Tips: time expressions come at the end. 30. Find the correct word order. He speaks fluently English. He speaks English fluently. Tips: adverbs of manner come at the end. How many did you get right? Tell me in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more English challenges. Keep practicing and stay awesome. See you in the next one.